Hi, welcome back to my English lesson once again. My name is Steve Ferry, and today I'm gonna take you into another grammar lesson. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. A lot of lessons will come along with you. Clauses of purpose. What is a purpose? A purpose is the reason to why you are doing something. Why do you put off the lights? For what reason? Why do you shut the door? What could be that reason? So we answer all those questions using the clauses of purpose. That's why I put for you something here. We use clauses of purpose to show why somebody does something. That is the reason I'm talking about. The following are some of the examples of clauses of purpose. They include so that, in order to, so as to, in case to, in order that, to, in order not to. We can even use the negative form of some of these clauses of purpose. I think I'll take you through the examples very first, such that you can easily understand what we are trying to discuss. How do we express our purposes? Through this. He left early in order, he left early in order to catch the train. He normally wakes up early, and today he did it more strongly. He woke up so early in order to catch the train. That was his reason. You read your books so that you can pass the exams. You practice a lot in order to be able to outcompete the rest. You do what you do for the reason at the end of what you have done. How do we answer all those? We answer them using the clauses of purpose. He left early to catch the train. So, what is the clause of purpose in this case? To. Very simple word, but bringing out the reason why this person left very early. Maybe in the morning, maybe in the evening. And two, somebody is asking me, how would the structure of the sentence in the clauses of purpose look like? In my previous lesson, I talked about the clauses and infinitives. I gave the structure on how infinitives are used in a sentence. And for this case, we will bring our clauses of purpose, we include the verb, and we add an infinitive or a bare infinitive. So please, if you haven't watched my videos about infinitives and gerunds and clauses, please subscribe. Search Steve Ferry. A lot of videos about infinitives and gerunds will come along your way. I hope this video has been very meaningful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, search for Steve Ferry. You'll find a lot of videos about the grammar lessons. Thank you for watching my video. I wish you a nice day, and once again,